Two giants in the investing world, Robinhood and Vanguard. Both promise to help you grow your wealth, but which one really delivers? On the left, Robinhood, the app disrupting how people invest. And on the right, Vanguard, the legendary name trusted for generations. We're comparing them in the ways that matter: fees, ease of use, investment options, customer support, and more. Forget the marketing hype. Let's focus on the real facts. Each category will be scored, so you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust us, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's how we're going to break this down, kind of like a mind map first. We're talking fees and commissions, then investment selection, user experience, safety and reputation, and finally, tools and advice. Each category's got its own quirks, so let's see who comes out on top. Let's kick it off with fees and commissions. So, Robinhood basically built its whole brand on being commission-free. Seriously, you can make trades all day for $0 and there aren't even account minimums. But, you ever wonder how they actually make money? Yeah, payment for order flow. Some people love it, others not so much. Now, Vanguard? Legendary for their low expense ratios, especially if you're into index funds. And they do have a bunch of no commission funds as well. The catch? Certain accounts or services might sneak in some fees, and some funds do have minimum investment amounts. But overall, when it comes to the lowest cost to get started, Robinhood takes the cake here. Alright, moving on to investment selection. If you want to trade stocks or ETFs, or you're dying to own like a teeny slice of Tesla, Robinhood absolutely lets you do that with fractional shares. Plus, you get access to crypto kinda wild, right? But, and this is a big but, they don't offer mutual funds or much in the way of bonds and fixed income. Vanguard, on the other hand, is literally famous for their mutual funds, giant ETF list, and a crazy amount of bonds and other options. The only downside? If you want individual stocks or crypto, their options are honestly not really there. So not as exciting for active traders. But for sheer variety and serious investing, Vanguard easily wins. Next up, user experience. If you want a modern, fast, and honestly addictive app, Robinhood's design is like top-notch. Opening an account takes minutes. But, fair warning, some folks say the app feels more like a game, with all those confetti graphics, which not everyone's cup of tea. Research tools are kinda basic too. Vanguard's website is super clean, and their tools are really solid, but it just doesn't have that same slick vibe. Their mobile app? Feels a little, stuck in the past. Still, if you want fast and fun, Robinhood easily takes the lead here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Vanguard actually invented the index fund. Yep, back in 1976. That's a serious legacy. Oh, let's get a little serious. Safety and reputation. So Robinhood is fully SIPC insured, but yeah, there have been outages and a few regulatory fines. Plus, let's be honest, they haven't been around that long. Vanguard, though, their rep is basically legendary. They've had decades to prove themselves and people absolutely trust them with crazy amounts of cash. Stewardship is their thing. But they do move a bit slower when it comes to innovation. Still, for peace of mind and a rock-solid history, this one's all Vanguard. Alright, last up, tools and advice. Robinhood keeps things pretty simple, some basic tutorials and education, but no real advice or fancy planning tools. And forget about retirement planning, it's just not there. Vanguard though, they've got retirement calculators, automatic investing, even human advice if you want it. Although sometimes the fanciest tools might cost extra, so heads up. If you're thinking about your financial future and want more guidance, Vanguard crushes this category. Here's a quick snapshot of how these two stack up across all those categories we just talked about. You can totally see where each one blows the other out of the water. So, end of the day, if you're just starting out, maybe want to dabble a little, or you just love a simple, fast interface, Robinhood's honestly going to be hard to beat. But if you're thinking long-term, planning for retirement, and want that rock-solid reputation behind your money, Vanguard is the clear winner. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that follow button or subscribe, whatever. Just make sure you don't miss the next deep dive. See you in the next